Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Danish banking, specifically a cool, digital bank called Lunar. Now, if you're new to Denmark, navigating the whole bank account setup can feel like deciphering ancient runes. Fear not, intrepid adventurer. This video will be your guide to cracking the code and unlocking a Lunar account. Why Lunar? Let's talk perks. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why Lunar might be the perfect fit for you in Denmark. First off, it's completely digital. No need to waste time trekking to a physical bank, you can do everything from your phone. Plus, they offer a free digital card and a regular Danish bank account, which can be a lifesaver when dealing with bills and everyday finances. But wait, there's more. Lunar boasts a user-friendly app with everything in English, making things super accessible. They also have competitive interest rates, so your hard-earned cash can actually grow while you spend. Plus, they're known for their sleek design and innovative approach to banking, a breath of fresh air compared to some of the more traditional options. Alright, you're sold. Now how do you open one? Now that you're hyped about Lunar, let's get down to business, opening that account. Here's the good news, the process is designed to be quick and easy. You can literally do it from the comfort of your couch in a matter of minutes. Here's what you'll need to have on hand. Your trusty MIT ID, basically your Danish digital ID. This is crucial for secure online identification. Some form of personal identification, like your passport or driver's license. Your CPR number, this is your Danish Central Person Register number, kind of like a social security number. Download the Lunar app, it's your gateway to banking freedom. Once you've gathered your documents, the first step is to download the Lunar app. It's available on both the App Store and Google Play. Once it's downloaded and installed, you can begin the application process. Signing up, a smooth and secure sale. The sign-up process through the app is straightforward. Just follow the prompts and use your MIT ID, personal ID, and CPR number to verify your identity. Lunar takes security seriously, so don't be surprised if there are a few extra steps to ensure everything is legit. Once approved, which usually happens pretty quickly, you're good to go. Start exploring the app, transferring funds, and enjoying the convenience of digital banking in Denmark. Important side note, not everyone qualifies, yet. There's a small caveat to be aware of. As of now, Lunar accounts are primarily for residents of Denmark with a CPR number. So, if you're just visiting, you might be out of luck for the time being. However, Lunar is a growing company, so keep an eye out for updates on eligibility in the future. Lunar versus the rest, making the smart choice. Choosing a bank can feel overwhelming, but hopefully, this video has shed some light on the Lunar experience. If you're looking for a modern, user-friendly, and entirely digital banking option in Denmark, Lunar is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy banking adventures.